Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about variation table. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we know that we have the graph of first derivative f of x. That is about this one. We need to find which one that is the correct. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about variation table. So if we look on the graph in here, so we have s first derivative f of s. So we have from negative infinity to positive infinity. So I will put this one, we have negative a in this location in here, and the positive a in this location in here. So we see that first derivative f of s, they go to this location negative a and positive a, and this one they will create number 0, 0. So on the graph of this one in here, this is about positive, this one that is about negative. Later that they go to positive. So we have the side like this. Next, we have the second formula in here. If first derivative of the function greater than number 0, so the function in here should be increased. So first derivative of the function is negative, so the function in here should be decreased. Now if we look in this one, we can see that this one that is about positive, so they will go to this way. So this one is negative, so they will go in this way. Then this one is about positive, they will go to this way. So this one they will go to positive infinity, this one they will go to negative infinity. So the graph they should be like this. So if we look carefully, that is only D. This is the end. Thank you for watching.